Welcome to Gosia's Kitchen, where I share an easy to prepare, yummy, and most of all, healthy recipe with you. Today, I'm going to share a balsamic vinaigrette recipe with you because I think when it comes to salad, it's always dressing that is the most difficult one to make. And because I believe in home cooking and I don't believe in store-bought dressings, we're gonna make a homemade dressing. So we're gonna start with garlic. We're gonna crush it in. You can do one garlic or two. We're gonna throw everything into a jar just to make it easy because this recipe is all about simplicity and versatility. Now we're gonna add half cup of extra virgin olive oil. You can use also vegetable oil if you like. And it goes right into the jar. Next one is balsamic vinegar, and we need a 1/4 cup of it. Next one is Dijon mustard. You don't have to, it just exploded on me. Okay, so 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. If you don't like mustard, you can omit it and you can add lemon juice instead. To balance it out, we have to add a little bit of sweetness that will come from raw honey. So 1 teaspoon of that. And now a little bit of salt. This is sea salt. I never measure, so this is like maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. Some dried Italian herbs. Also 1 teaspoon. Now we close the jar. Really nice and tightly. We shake it. Here's your balsamic vinaigrette. Before you use it, make sure you shake it. Put it on a salad. This will be probably enough for 3 or 4 salads. You can double up on a recipe so that you don't have to keep doing the same dressing over and over. It will stay in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. If you like this recipe, please let me know, like, share, and if you would like to see any specific recipes, let me know and I will make them just for you. I will talk to you soon. Adios.